The headlines scream from every newsstand in Manila. They flash across television screens from Luzon to Mindanao. Philippines on brink of historic fighter jet deal. Typhoon, Viper, Gripen or Boracay, a new era for Philippine air power. On January 7, 2026, the air is thick with anticipation. Years of debate are coming to a dramatic conclusion. This is more than a military purchase. It's a choice that will define the Philippines for decades. The nation stands at a crossroads with a decision that will shape alliances, the economy, and national defense. The West Philippine Sea remains a flashpoint, and regional powers are expanding their reach. For the Philippine Air Force, this is about a leap in capability and sending a message. The Philippines is ready to stand its ground. The new multi-role fighter jet is the centerpiece of this national reawakening. In coffee shops, online forums, and government offices, the debate rages on. Should the nation stick with its traditional American ally, embrace Europe, or opt for a more independent solution? Each option presents a different vision for the future, with unique promises and risks. Decision makers are not just choosing a plane, they're choosing a future. Technology, cost, politics, and national pride are all in the balance. The world is watching closely. A US F-16 would deepen the American alliance. A Typhoon would pivot to Europe. A Gripen would focus on efficiency. A KF-21 would bet on future tech. This is a geopolitical chess match, and the Philippines is about to make its most important move. The consequences will be immediate and far-reaching. Inside the Department of National Defense, the atmosphere is electric. Generals and officials move with quiet intensity, faces etched with exhaustion and focus. Binders of technical specs, financial projections, and geopolitical analyses cover the tables. This is the nerve center where the fate of the Air Force will be decided. The pressure is immense. They answer to over 100 million Filipinos. A wrong move could saddle the nation with unaffordable or ineffective aircraft. The current F-A-50 fleet marked a return to supersonic flight, but it's not enough. The Air Force needs a true multi-role fighter to deter aggression and defend the West Philippine Sea. This acquisition is the keystone of the Armed Forces Modernization program. It's about more than military capability. It's about national pride. For too long, the Philippines has lagged behind regional air forces. This is a chance to change that narrative and inspire a new generation. The right choice could build a domestic aerospace industry and create high-tech jobs. The decision in this room will ripple through every sector of society. It will define the nation's ambition and its place in the 21st century. The stakes could not be higher. 4 aircraft remain in the competition, each representing a unique strategic path. The American F-16 Viper, Swedish Saab Gripen E, South Korean KF-21 Boracay, and European Eurofighter Typhoon. Each is more than a machine. They represent different futures for the Philippines. The F-16 deepens U.S. ties and offers proven interoperability. The Gripen E promises efficiency, low costs, and technology transfer. The KF-21 offers a leap into next-gen tech and regional partnership. The Typhoon brings top-tier performance and a powerful European alliance. Technical evaluations have been exhaustive. Pilots, engineers, and logisticians have scrutinized every detail. Each jet has strengths: Typhoon's speed, F-16's combat record, Gripen's ease of maintenance, KF-21's stealth features. The challenge is matching these to the Philippines' needs and budget. The decision is a complex equation: performance, price, and politics. Each choice involves trade-offs and risks. Leaders must weigh these factors carefully. The right path will secure the nation's future in the air and on the ground. The stakes are nothing less than national security. The Lockheed Martin F-16 Viper is a frontrunner. It's a modern evolution of a legendary fighter, trusted by over 25 air forces. Choosing the Viper would extend the U.S.-Philippines alliance, ensuring seamless integration with American forces. The Block 70-72 features advanced radar, a powerful engine, and a modern cockpit. Its airframe is rated for 12,000 flight hours, long service life, proven reliability. However, U.S. offers often focus on hardware, with less emphasis on technology transfer or local industry. Reliance on U.S. support could leave the fleet vulnerable to political shifts in Washington. Strategically, the F-16 signals a doubling down on the U.S. alliance. It strengthens military ties but could draw the Philippines deeper into great power competition. Some worry this limits diplomatic flexibility. The Viper is as much a political statement as a military one. It's a declaration of allegiance in a contested world. The Saab Gripen E offers a different philosophy: smart, efficient, and cost-effective. It boasts the lowest operational cost among Western contenders, ideal for a limited defense budget. Designed for easy maintenance, it can be refueled and rearmed quickly, maximizing time in the air. Its advanced radar, electronic warfare suite, and network data link make it a technological marvel. The Gripen can operate from small, dispersed road bases, perfect for an archipelago. Saab's offer includes generous technology transfer and local industry development. This could create high-tech jobs and boost self-reliance. However, Sweden can't offer the same security guarantees as the US. The Gripen E is new, with less combat history than the F-16. Choosing Gripen means betting on Swedish efficiency and independence. It's a path prioritizing cost-effectiveness and industrial growth over superpower alignment. The KF-21 Boramae from South Korea is a glimpse into the future. It's a 4.5 generation fighter with stealth features, making it harder to detect than older jets. For the Philippines, it's a chance to leapfrog a generation of technology. Powered by proven American engines, it carries a heavy payload and offers stealthy profiles. The main risk, it's still in development, unproven in combat, and not yet in full production. Choosing the KF-21 is a bet on potential, with risks of delays and technical challenges. The strategic appeal is partnership. Joining the program could boost the local defense industry. It forges a strong bond with South Korea, a key regional ally. The Philippines would be an early adopter, sharing both risks and rewards. It's a bold choice for those willing to invest in the future. The Boramae is about building a partnership and technological edge. The Eurofighter Typhoon Tranche 5 is a bid for top-tier air power. With supercruise capability and advanced avionics, it's built to dominate the sky. The E-Scan Mk2 radar and Praetorian defensive system make it a formidable platform. The cockpit is designed for maximum pilot efficiency. The Eurofighter Consortium's offer includes extensive technology transfer and a local assembly line. This could create thousands of high-skilled jobs and a self-sustaining aerospace ecosystem. However, the Typhoon is the most expensive option, both to buy and operate. Managing logistics across 4 European nations adds complexity and cost. It requires major investment in infrastructure and training. Choosing Typhoon signals a strategic pivot to Europe and new alliances. It's a high-risk, high-reward move that could transform the Philippines, if the nation can afford it. The Typhoon is for those aiming for the top. The Philippines faces a high-stakes gamble, balancing capability, cost, industrial benefits, and alliances. The F-16 offers proven power and a strong US alliance, but limited industrial benefits. The risk over-dependence on one ally and missing out on local industry growth. The Gripen E is pragmatic, low cost, tech transfer, and self-reliance, but less security backing. The risk standing alone in a crisis. The KF-21 is a forward-looking gamble, future tech and regional partnership, but unproven and risky. The risk delays and unmet needs. The Typhoon is the most ambitious, top performance and transformative industry, but at a steep price. The risk, overreach, and unsustainable costs. Each path has rewards and risks. The decision will shape the nation's security and economy for decades. The stakes are nothing less than the future. As the sun sets over Manila Bay, the final decision draws near. This is about more than radar or speed. It's a reflection of the nation's soul. Each jet represents a different future, steadfast ally, independent actor, tech partner, or new regional power. The choice will shape the next generation. Jobs, security, and national pride are all at stake. Pilots, technicians, and citizens await the outcome, trusting leaders to choose wisely. For decades, the Philippines has made do. Now it can invest in its own security. The new fighters mark a turning point, a declaration that the era of being pushed around is over. The world is watching. The decision will ripple across the Indo-Pacific. For the Philippines, this is about claiming its future. A sky full of dreams secured by a new generation of air power. The nation stands ready to draw a line in the sky.